Hi kids, let's learn ABC alphabet with AT learning. Let's begin. A is for apple. 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 B is for ball. 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 C is for cat. 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 D is for dolphin. 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 E is for elephant. 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 F is for fish. 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 G is for giraffe. 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 H is for hat. 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 I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. J is for juice. 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 K is for kite. 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 L is for lion. 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 M is for monkey. 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 N is for nest. 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 O is for owl. 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 P is for penguin. 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 Q is for quail. 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 R is for rabbit. 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 S is for snake. 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 T is for tiger. 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 U is for umbrella. 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 V is for van. 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 W is for wheel. 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 X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y is for yo-yo. 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 Z is for zebra. 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 Next time, won't you sing with me, kids? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to ATK Learnings.